They've had a long-standing rivalry going back years, but for some reason, it's been escalating in the last few months, and the latest victim may have been found today.
The body was dumped here sometime before dawn in a quiet, upscale Shoreview neighborhood. Sources telling Fox 9 he's a young Somali man and could be the latest victim in a deadly war between two Somali gangs. He's hardly the first casualty. Burnsville 2 weeks ago. A gunman injures one man and kills 23-year-old Abdulfatah Mahmoud. July 4th, South Minneapolis. Muhaddin Farah is shot and killed inside an apartment at Lake Street and Grand. A month earlier, Northeast Minneapolis. Mohammed Aden is shot to death sitting in his car outside a party at University and Lowry. 4 killings, all possibly connected, all unsolved.
Police across the metro have known for the last year about this rivalry. A half-dozen intelligence bulletins have been sent out. The problem is language is a barrier, and because these groups are so loosely organized, police are having a hard time figuring out who the players are.
It's definitely not just one thing. You know, that's what we know for a fact. And it's a lot of different things that we are slowly trying to figure out.
From their situation room, the youth group Kajoog has been trying to get a handle on the violence. In Somali, Kajoog means stay away, as in gangs and other temptations. Abdul Muhammad talked to one of the gang members just 2 weeks before he was killed.
They themselves often don't realize that they're in it until it's too late, you know. So that's when we have to get them. That's when we have to pull them out.
Kajoog tries to pull them out through education and outreach.
What this basically was, it says no Qablayat, meaning no tribalism. We opened up the first chapter of Somali Boy Scouts because we're no longer Somalis, we're Somali Americans now.
They're an impressive group of young men, about the same age as those killing each other. Police may eventually find the killers. The members of Kajoog want to find the solution.
We've been silent much too long, especially when it comes to our own people losing their lives and losing such brilliant, smart people.
And the Ramsey County medical examiner has yet to identify the man they found today in Shoreview. He didn't have any identification on him. A couple police sources familiar with the intelligence on these two gangs tell me the key point in the rivalry stems from a double murder in South Minneapolis 6 years ago when 2 young Somali men were shot to death in an alley. The 2 suspects in that crime fled the country.